Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a new product that you may need in your Coleman 13R or other camper that may not have a thermostat for their electric heater. What it is a wireless thermostat. It's the WTC 100 from DIGITEN. I got this off of Amazon for $29.99. It's really nice because, like I said, we have in our Coleman 13R, and I know the 13B and I believe the 17 models have this same fireplace. It's a glass fireplace, runs off electric. The problem is there's no thermostat to shut it off, so you're either running it, then you got to get up and shut it off, turn it on, whatever. That's kind of a pain in the middle of the night when you try to warm yourself up a little bit, and the next thing you know, you're sweating because the heater's running all night. This solves this problem. Basically what it is this plugs in to where the heater itself plugs in, and then you plug the heater into this. This turns on, and this is a remote. This is very similar to what you would have in your home for heat and air conditioning. You don't really need it for the air conditioning in here because the air conditioning already has its own thermostat, but the glass fireplace does not. It just keeps running until you shut it off, which probably would cook you out in here. So I'm going to show you how to hook it up, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. All right, folks, I'll try to show you this the best way I can. Underneath here is where the plug was for the heater. There's just one outlet on this. Let me show you. Hopefully you can see that okay. But basically what we're doing, we unplug the heater. This here will get plugged in. It has to get plugged in upside down like this because that's the way the outlet is on it. You'll see that a light came on. Hit the switch. That turns this switch on as you plug in like this. And of course, in order to get this to work, you flip your switch. So now I have both of my switches on. If you want just the heat on, then obviously you would just turn the heat on. It's already too hot for it to turn on in here. So this is where we make an adjustment with our thermostat control. Currently it's 78 degrees in here. This is set to 60. So if say temperature went down to 60, that's when the heater would kick on. Let's adjust it up to a higher temperature and watch it turn on. Okay, folks, we had the thermostat in our hand here. Hopefully you can see everything okay. It's 78.2 degrees in here right now, so the fireplace didn't come on. But if we hit the plus button, say we want it to be 80 degrees in here, we'll go up. I think it has to be at least 2 full degrees hotter for it to actually kick on. But you see how the fireplace immediately kicks on, and then it'll heat. And by the time you get it to the temperature you want, it'll shut it back off again. So say I'll drop the temperature again, 78 degrees. Just like that, it shuts off. And of course, folks, this comes with your plug. Obviously for the outlet, this comes with the remote, or what I like to call just the thermostat. You can mount this on the wall. It has a stand on the back, so you can just stand it up on the spot if you want to. This is for mounting it on the wall. It comes with the screws and the anchors, and this just goes on the wall where you decide to put it. This thing here will just go right on. It does require 2 AAA batteries, which did not come with this, folks. So you'll need 2 AAA batteries, and then you just need to find a spot you want to mount it. I highly recommend, if you have the Coleman 13R, to mount it somewhere over here off your bed somewhere so you can turn it in and out. I plan on mounting it up here just because it's out of the way. It's closer to our bed, so that way if it's cold or hot over in this corner while we're sleeping, this is where we're going to want to have the heat adjusted the most. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to have a lot more videos for my Coleman 13R coming up. I got a bunch of different products I've been picking up. We camped in this once already, so I have a video for our camping trip. It was just a one-nighter to kind of get an idea what we need in this camper. And this was something we definitely needed. It was cold outside. We turned the heat on, went to bed, and then the next thing you know, middle of the night, it was cooking in this small camper. But like I said, any type of fireplace you may have electric that doesn't have a thermostat, this would work great for it. And again, just mount this wherever you want to. I don't recommend mounting it right over the fireplace, obviously, because it's going to turn it on and off quicker. But mount it where you want to. It's your preference, of course. Thanks for tuning in. More of these videos coming up really soon. Trying to get as many things done to this camper before winter. Bye for now.